Hi everyone. Good morning, guys.
Hi, good morning.
Yeah, very good morning. Let's start. Okay, so we done with the Linux part, right? Any doubts, guys, so far in? Okay. So next, we are going to start DevOps first tool, that is Git. In this section, see, we have a section, guys, here. So previously we covered operating system section. So in this section, we have many operating systems in the market, right? So here we covered Linux operating system. So why we covered the Linux means here. So that is the prerequisites to learn DevOps. So that's why we need this and we covered. Okay. Now the next section is here, SCM, or we can call it as a VCS, source code management or version control system. Okay. In this section, we have many tools in the market. That is, we have Git, SVN, Subversion, SVN means, and Perforce, Clear Case, and CVS. Like this, we have many tools in the market. Okay, all these tools comes under version control or source code management section. Okay, so here all the tools are designed for the same purpose, guys. Okay, all the tools are designed for the same purpose only. So what is that purpose that we will discuss later? Okay, so now you will get a doubt here, why for the same purpose, why we need these many tools, why we have these many tools in the market, right? See, suppose I developed Git. Just assume that I developed Git. Git is my product. Is there any rule that Rajesh should not develop CVS and Srinath should not develop Perforce? No, right? There is no rule. So anyone can develop the same tool also. So suppose Srinath is having his own organization. He developed the own tool Perforce and he started using for his projects in his company. And meanwhile, he released into the market as well. So few people are using Srinath's product and few are not interested. Okay, so that's how these many tools came into the picture. These are all open source tools we discussed already. Open source. So many people started downloading the formula and they started developing their own tool and they're using for their organizations. And meanwhile, they're releasing into market also. So few people are going for these tools also. So like this, we have many tools in the market. Okay. So that's why we have this many tools here. So now what we are going to learn here? Here we are going to learn Git. Why only Git? Why not SVN? Why not other tools? So here, see, all the tools are same only, but little differences will be there. Like sometimes architecture wise, sometimes terminology wise, a little bit differences will be there. Remaining everything is equal. their motive and their the purpose of designing is same for the same purpose. Okay, all this comes under the source code management tools. Okay, so here why we are going for the Git means based upon the market we are going here. Market means market means not a fish market, vegetable market, guys. It's IT market I'm talking about. Okay, so mostly like 90%, more than 90% market is going with the Git only. More than 90. Okay, see how the market will select. Blindly they will select the tools for their projects in their organization. Suppose see, Srinath is my childhood friend. He developed Perforce, so that's why I will take Perforce. Like this, the companies will select. No, right? Based on different criteria, guys. Simply they will not select the tools. Different criteria, like whether this tool is flexible or not, whether it is user friendly or not, whether it is open source or not, whether it is secure or not, whether it will support 24/7, whether it will provide 24/7 support or not. See how many things they will check here. See, these many things they will check. They will not select the tool simply. Okay, so like that, most of the people are selecting Git. Means why they're selecting it means compared to other tools, they're having more benefits here. That's why. Suppose, let me give one or two examples, differences between Git and other tools also. Just one or two. You'll not understand, but I want to give the statements here. Here in Git, it will provide thousands of branches. We can create thousands of branches here. But in other tools, suppose if we take in SVN, it is not. For the large scale projects, we can use Git. For other tools, SVN, suppose if we take SVN, here it is not possible. So like this, some differences will be there. Okay. So now you will get a doubt again. Vinod, you are teaching me Git here. Okay, fine. And tomorrow in my company, if they ask Perforce what I need to do, again I need to learn. Not required. If you learn one tool, no, you will get all the tools. Even I don't know. See, if you type list of SCM tools in Google, no, not only these tools, you will get another 5 to 10 tools will be there apart from this. Even I didn't remember the names. Okay, so don't worry about the tools here. Like this, if you take around 250 tools, you will get in DevOps, 250 to 300 tools you will get. Okay, so based upon the market, we will go. Suppose they're in your organization, they're using Perforce, but here you know only Git. No problem. They will shortlist your profile and they will select you. And once you enter into the organization, they will have the release notes and all, PDFs, documents, release notes, all these things will be there. So you have to spend half an hour and 1 hour to convert from Git to Perforce. That's it. Commands wise, small differences will be there. Terminology wise, sometimes architecture wise, little differences will be there. Ultimate, the goal is same. Okay. So here we are going to deal with Git. There is no full form for Git. Sometimes people will call JIT and Git. Okay, I'm calling Git here. What these SCM tools will do. I am not discussing about only Git. I'm talking about entire section. What is this version control or source code management tools will do? To understand this, we need to go back to olden days. Okay, so before like 15 years, 20 years back, how they're doing? At the time, there is no version, these tools, version control tools are there. How they're doing it? That we need to know first. Okay. After that, we'll come here. Yes, give me 1 minute. I will be back. Yeah, guys, I'm back. Okay, now, see previously, suppose let me take this way. Suppose we have one developer here. Developer 1 and developer 2. Okay. So two developers we have. What developers will do, guys? They will develop the code. Okay. They will write the code. That code technically we can call it as in source code. Okay. Suppose one developer he created one file. The file name is sample. Okay. And and inside this file, he added one line of data. Okay. And after a few days, the same file the developer 2 added here. I mean, the same file the developer modified. And the developer line 2. Okay. So let's take another developer he deleted. Okay. So all these are actions, guys. Creating a file, modifying a file, deleting a file, all this comes under actions. Now onwards, whenever I use the word actions, means all these things. Okay, not one. It can be creating, modifying, deleting, whatever. Okay, these all are actions. See now, he deleted the file. Okay, so developer 2, he deleted the file. And after 1 month or 2 months, so someone is trying to track this information. Where is this sample file? Okay, so he's telling I didn't delete it. See, sometimes he can tell wantedly. Sometimes he cannot remember after 1 month. No, 30 days means sometimes he may forgot, right? So he's telling I didn't delete this file. So then how to track the information? Who deleted this one? Who is responsible for this? Not only for deleting action, creating also, modification also. Who modified this? Who created this? So how to track that information? So previously in olden days, what they're doing, no, they're taking the screenshots, guys. They're taking the screenshots and they're storing it. Like olden days means 20 years back. I'm talking screenshots. Like screenshot meaning is same. Okay, like print screen or a screenshot they take and they will saving in some place. Okay, after performing any action, they're taking the screenshots and they're saving it. Why they're taking the screenshot means for tracking information. Who created this one and what he created, when he created all this, to know all this information. Okay, so in this way they're going in olden days. See, in olden days, how the projects will be, suppose see, I think you guys know about waterfall model. waterfall model. This is the process they will follow to develop the project. Okay, so waterfall model, scrum model, okay, agile model or agile methodology, different models we have to develop the software in software companies. Okay, so previously people mostly follow this waterfall model, which is very famous previously. Okay, not now. So in this waterfall model, why it is become very famous now? It will go like what we call it as a straight forward, right? Like a straight line only it will go. Okay, there is no zigzag here. Once you start the project, it will go in like a straight line only. Okay, like a straightforward character. So means here, so if you are in the development phase, you cannot go back to the design phase again. Backtrackings are not possible here. Okay, if you are in design phase, again you cannot go for the analysis. Okay, that is not possible here. Once you start here and finally you have to end here, that's it. So previously the customization is very less in the projects. Okay, the customization is very less and very clear information will be there. Once you start, finally you will end with the project. In that way the people are going. Okay, but nowadays it is not like that. Okay, see, previously they're going with this waterfall model and only few developers are there here. Okay, and they're doing the actions, and all those actions they're taking, for all those actions they're taking the screenshots and they're storing for tracking purpose in future, right? But nowadays it is not possible. See, now customization is required nowadays. If you take an example, we have food applications like Amazon, Zomato, Swiggy. I mean, in India, we have the food applications. I don't know, I mean, abroad, what applications they're using. Okay, different applications we have. See, every half an hour, they will change the business logic, right? You need the customization more here. You need more customization. Okay, so that is not possible with agile, with the waterfall model. That is only possible with the agile methodology, which supports completely for DevOps. Okay, here if you are in the test phase, you can go for the deployment. If you are in the development phase, you can go for design phase. Whatever you want, you can go here. The customization is more here. Okay, and here hundreds of developers will be there, and each developer can do 10,000 actions also per day. Yes, it is possible, because keep on the requirement will change here. Suppose today the developer, the client gives some requirement, so no guarantee next 1 hour it will be not change. There is no guarantee it will. Okay, so like this customization is more. So you need to track all the information. Previously they're taking the screenshots, right? All the actions, whatever the actions developers are performing, those actions they are taking the screenshots. This is not secure one actually, but they're taking, but it is not a secure one. Okay, now the hundreds of developers will be there and more customization they will do, and the screenshot process is not secure. So that's why the SCM tools or version control tools entered into the market. What these SCM tools will do now? It's going to track each and every action performed by the developers, and it will maintain inside the repositories. This is what the SCM tools will do. So it will track and it will create one unique ID, guys. 40 characters unique ID it will create for every action. So with that ID, you can track the information when he created, why he created, what he created, where he created. All this information you can track easily. No one can escape now. Okay, so this ID it is generated with alphanumeric, alphabets and numerics combination this ID will be there, 40 characters unique ID. Okay, so now no one can escape every information. So what SCM tools will do here, each and every action performed by the developers, we are going to track and we will maintain inside the repositories. We will track with this commit IDs and we will maintain inside the repositories. Repositories means what? Storage place. To store all these things, we need a place now. So that's why we need to create repositories also. Storage. So this is what SCM tools are, version control. Sometimes in the job descriptions, they will give version control, okay, or source code management. Okay, so this is what SCM tools. All the tools are for all the tools for same purpose only. Okay. Now, let me open the material. So Git material, guys, I think it is there in the drive. Did I uploaded that in the drive? Yeah, Git notes is also there. Okay. So Git notes. So this is the material. This is the index that we are going to cover here. Okay. And see, everything is there here. Git is a source code management. Different names, guys. Here in Git, you need to remember a lot of terminologies. Okay. So source code management or version control system, or sometimes they'll call it as a distributed version control. All are same. Version control, distributed version control, or source code. Okay, source code means code only. Whatever the code developed by the developers, that code only we call it as a source code. Okay, another name. Okay, so we have many tools in the market, and so what is Git means the same. It's a process of tracking and maintaining the changes of a particular software project or a product. Okay. And next, how to install Git. Okay, let's go and see how to install Git. Okay, so here I will show, see Git you can install in Windows and you can install in Linux. Okay, so in real time also 30-40% they will use in Windows also, and mostly they will use in Linux. Okay, Windows means not that GUI you will not get, separate tool we need to install. That tool name is Git Bash. Okay, there if you want you can practice, and you want to practice in what is that, EC2 instance. We created no EC2 instance, S22 batch. So there also you can install Git and you can practice there. Okay, both I will show you. So here I will teach you in Windows only, because nothing difference. 99% is same, but 1% is different. That 1% is installation steps. Okay, why I'm teaching in Windows means you feel very comfortable here. Once you understand the subject, that 1% doesn't matter actually. Okay, here it will highlight the branches and everything will be highlighted with the different colors. It's very easy to understand for the newcomers. Okay, that's why not only me, many of the faculties, they'll prefer teaching in Windows first. After that, you will do, no need to explain again in Linux, you will do Aramsin, because nothing difference. Commands wise, concepts wise, 99% is equal, 1% different, that is installation steps. That also I will show you. Okay, first I will show you installation of Git in Windows. Okay, after that I will show you in Linux also. So go to this official website, scm-git. This is the official website. And here, if you come down here, we have a downloads we have here. Okay. So current version is 2.34.1 is the current version. So click on download, and they're giving for the different distributions here, Mac, Windows, and Linux. Okay. So here time being, I'm going with the Windows. For the Mac people also, if anyone working with the Mac, you already connected with the EC2 instance, now there only you can practice. That also I will show you. Okay. See, now it is downloading. For me, it is there already. Okay, I'm not downloading and I'm not installing. So once you download, for me, 1 second. I don't think it is a new version. So this is the tool, guys, I say actually. By 34.1, right? 34.1. Okay, I don't have this. Let me install. Even I'm downloading. I'm little bold here. Not me, my software. Okay. So .exe file you will get. Okay. You know, right, how to install .exe file. Just toughest installation in the world to install .exe file in Windows, right? Double click, run, yes, next, install. Oh, setup cannot continue until you close at least. Oh, this one. See, removing previous Git version 2.34.0. Now they released the patch, I think, one they added. So view release notes and all not required. Click on finish. Okay. So done. Once complete, now just right click. Otherwise you can go and search here. Okay, you can search. So otherwise right click, using Windows 11, right? It is. So here only we'll have git bash. Okay, git bash means born again shell. Okay, so you need to select this. So this is the tool. I think this much size you will not get initially. Small window you will get. So after that you can set, you can arrange this. I mean, you can set window size and all. How to set means right click. Here you have the options. You can set window, okay, column size and row size. All these things you can mouse, color, text, all these things you can set up, guys. I'm not explaining. Okay. So this is the tool, guys. This tool we call it as a git bash. Actually, tool name is git only. But if you install git in Windows, no, this tool name is here git bash. Okay. See again here Linux only. Okay. Again Linux commands. ls command, cd command, su command, all Linux commands again. And on the top of Linux, you will get git also. Git commands also you will get here. That's it. Okay. So nothing different. You will not feel it is a Windows. Again, Linux only here. Okay. So you can practice here, or you can install the same Git you can install in Amazon Linux. I mean, in EC2 instance. Okay, nothing different. Only installation wise, a few steps will differ in Linux. That's it. Okay, now we will go and see how to install Git in Linux operating system. Okay, we install in Windows, right? This is Windows 11. Now let's go. Guys, clear so far, everyone?
Yes.
No doubts, right?
No, sir.
Okay. So open your AWS account, which we created for Linux, right? So yes, 22, right? Start. Guys, anyone facing any issue with the AWS account and the instance? Is working fine, right? For you, everyone.
Yeah, it's working fine for me.
Yeah, good. What about the mobile extreme? Rajesh, for you, it is working, mobile extreme?
Right. The mistake is done with me. EC2 instance that username I was given wrong. That is the problem.
Username wrong?
When we are giving username, specified username is there. Na? That ID I was specified another name.
Mm-hmm.
Right now it is okay.
Okay, fine. Okay, so now what you need to do is first you need to update the system, guys. Sudo yum update. Okay, whenever you are trying to install a new software on a new package, just update the system. That is the best practice. Yum is the package manager we are using here. YUM. See, last time we updated, right, this mission. So now again, while we updating, it is taking some updates here because some updates are available. Okay, yesterday only I updated it. So it's a best practice, update it. Okay, not frequently, guys. Whenever you launch the new instance and whenever you're going to install any packages or softwares, then just update the system. Hardly it will take 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, and after that you can start. Guys, how is Omicron over there in Canada and US? Abdul, Riansika, and Radhika. How is Omicron over there? You guys are from Canada, right? Hello. Zil.
For us, north side is there, but not the south side. They're facing some problem. Means like here also it's there, but not so much.
Yesterday, I got the news like from 7% to 73% it increased in the USA.
Yeah, north side there it was increasing, and right now they are saying it will come here also. I don't know.
Okay, south also. Okay. Okay, so now we updated the system and now let's start. So here we have few steps, guys. Okay, which system it is, guys? Host name CTL. I think Red Hat, right? Red Hat only. Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Oh, 8.5. 8.5 they released. Okay, fine. 8.5. Previously 8.4 is there. 8.5 is very latest. Okay. Done. So that is the beauty of cloud. I told you, no, I think I mentioned this point actually. So here you will get the free. Okay, if you want to buy this license, no, it's expensive. Okay, and you're getting the free here and latest versions you're getting. That is very nice. Okay, that to Red Hat. So now it is Red Hat, right? So for the Red Hat means mostly in real time they will use Red Hat, guys. That's why I'm preferring here also Red Hat. I will show you the Amazon Linux and Ubuntu also. I will show you later. Okay, nothing different. Everything same. Amazon Linux is same like Red Hat only. CentOS, Fedora, Amazon Linux, and Red Hat. These four are equal, guys. Nothing difference. Ubuntu, if you take 2 to 3% commands will different with Ubuntu. That's it. Nothing else. Okay, any instance you can launch. Okay, any Linux machine you can launch. No need to worry about that. Okay, so now we have some commands, guys, here to install Git in Linux. We have some commands. See, here I give Git installation in EC2. So you need to update the system first, and after that, yum install Git. Okay, if you install the Git like this, yum install Git, excuse me, yum install Git -by. Normally I will give this command, sudo yum install Git, and I'm giving the confirmation. By using the package manager yum, I'm installing yum install Git. Okay, see. See, Git is installed. Okay, now go and check the version. Git --version. Oh, so version C. What version we have, guys? Currently, I forgot again. So this is the version actually, right? This is the latest version, 2.34. But see, you're getting the old version. Okay, so if you follow this command here in the Red Hat especially, okay, you will get the old version. Okay, I give the note point also. Here you will get the old version of Git. Okay, so what you need to do? You need to update. So this old version is also okay, fine, you can work in this. But if you want a new one, no, you need to do some steps here. First, you need to remove this. Remove Git. Remove Git and give the confirmation. Okay, now if you give the git ---- version, so now the Git is not there. We removed it. Next, what you need to do? We need to install some dependencies, guys, here. Okay, so we have the dependency to install latest version. For that, we need to install some dependencies first. So here we have many dependencies here. All these dependencies we need to install. Okay, so for this command is yum install all are dependencies. So wget is for webget. If you want to download anything from the website, say from the internet, you need wget command. So that you need. And if you want to unzip, in Windows, we will unzip the zip folders, right? If you want to unzip, that we need unzip a command also, we need to package also, we need to install. And tar also. Here we have tar files. If you have zip, you can unzip with this. You have tar files also. If you want to untar it, you need tar here. Okay, like this, we have many dependencies here. Okay, these are internal dependencies we have. So even I don't know, if you ask me to explain what is the purpose of this, I don't know. Okay, so these are some libraries are required here. GCC library, get text, devil, these are required. So we need to install this. I know up to here only. Okay, this one make also, it will set up all the changes in the Git. Okay, for that purpose we'll use this make. And all these things are library related. All these dependencies we need to install. Okay, so just copy this command from the material and paste it here. Right click, it will paste. So all the dependencies we installed successfully. Okay, finish. And what is the next step? We need to download the software, okay, from the internet. So SCM Git. And here, if you go to this website, downloads, here, click on the Linux. For the Linux, especially for the Red Hat, they are not giving the commands here. For the Red Hat, you need to download the tar file. Okay, for other instances and all, directly, if you want to know, you can give this command to install. Okay, and for Arch Linux, you can give this command. For all these things, SUSE Linux, you can give this command. Okay, for Ubuntu, you can give this command to install the Git. Okay, Debian, all this. But the Red Hat, they are not giving. For the Red Hat, they're not giving any command. With the command, you cannot install. If you install, you can, but you will get the old version. So for the Red Hat, see, they're giving Red Hat Enterprise Linux, Oracle Linux, and CentOS Scientific Linux. For all these things, okay, directly you cannot install. Okay, so you need to download the tarball. Okay, and from that you need to install. Okay, so download a tarball. See, tarball means tarball only. See, in Windows, we will download the softwares, right? We will download the software and we will install. Sometimes when you download, you will get a zip folders, right? Okay. The same way here, you will get in Linux, you will get tar. Okay. see here from the beginning of the Git, we have all the versions here. Git 0.1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1.8, 1.9. See, many versions are there. 2.10. All the versions they're giving here. So from here you can download the which version guys now? 2.34, right? 34.1. Yeah. 2.34. These are not man pages they're giving here. One second. See, let me copy this. They changed something here. See, 2.34.
It's down there,
Sorry.
2.34.1. It's
Oh.
down.
Yeah. This one, right? Yeah, this one. 2.34. tar.gig. Okay, tar.gz. Okay, this one you need to select. They're giving HTML docs and all. That's why I'm getting doubt. So right click and copy the link. And let me paste in the material and let me check. Same one. Okay. See, same, right? But here are this one. Now this. Let me update here. Okay. So otherwise, you having the old material, just you update here instead of 0, 1 year. That's it. Fine. So this one we need to give here with the wget command. Okay. So wget and paste it. So see, if you not install the wget, no, you will get command not found. Wget not found. It will show you error. Again, you need to install separately. So what we did previously, only we installed this wget. Okay, so that is the thing. So to download, we will use this wget, means webget. Now you can see here, we got this. Okay, so we got the, here also it is giving HTML docs and all. Come on. So it downloaded here. Now let me extract. So we need to extract this, guys. How to
And why is it that color different? What does that mean? Previously, we know white and blue. This is
that is
different
files and
color.
folders. Okay.
Yeah.
Files
What is
have color, black color, sorry, white color. For folders, you will get blue color. And for executed files, X permission we give, no execute permission we give in yesterday's class. So for that, you will get this color. Okay. And these colors you will get for the tar files and all, what you whenever you download some,
Compressed files.
you will get this color.
Okay.
Compressed files.
Okay.
Okay. So easily you can identify here. See tar.gig, all these extensions you will get. These are the softwares you download. Tarball it is. Now we need to extract this. To extract, we need a tar command. So this tar also we need to install, that we already installed in the dependencies. Okay. So tar. And after that, so we need to give some attributes here. XV ZF, extract, verbose, gig file. Okay, these are the attributes we need to give. Don't by heart nothing. I mean, if you relate with the definition, no, then it's very easy. Extract, verbose, gig file. So this one you need to give. Otherwise, you can copy from the material. See, no one will ask you these things in interview. Just you need to remember, that's it. And select this one. So no need to type completely, guys. Okay, just I type G and I used meta characters and I hit tab button in the keyboard. I'm getting this. Okay, now I'm extracting this. So extracted successfully. Oh, come on. It is extracted directly. I think this is not the right one, I think. See how many files we got here. Actually, you need to get like this. That is not the right one I downloaded.
Download a complete all documents history.
Sorry. What?
It is the first one we need to check.
Yeah, this one we need to download. Yeah.
One is there.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, it is there.
so this one.
That one.
4.1.
GZ 3.4.1. That one. Yes.
This one we need to download. Sorry guys, I downloaded wrong one. That's why. Oh. Come on, how to delete all this? Okay, fine. Many are there. One second.
Just you type with G star G. You can remove it with G star.
Yeah,
because it started with G only.
Yeah, I will delete with the G.
Mostly.
Almost done. Few are there. So you can delete like this, guys. If you have many files, right? You can give the starting with the git, after that any name. The star meaning is after that anything. Okay. Now, and with M you have, right? M.
M we have, C with have,
and
R with have, T with have.
is done. Only small m, MER.
Then
Next,
C is there.
CM,
CMDX.
right?
Yes.
That is done. Now,
Then D is there. DIFF.
What?
DIFF. If it,
Okay, come on.
then P is there.
Instead of this,
PR,
I can delete all also. Okay, fine. So many are there. No. Let me delete all. How to delete all? Star. Simple. Okay, now I will download newly. wget this one. Oh my god. Where is this? 34.1. So material also, let me update this. This is okay. Okay, so like this you need to get, guys. Okay, git 2.34.1 dot click. Okay, now extract this star hyphen xvjdf. Okay, git. So extracted is done. See, now we got this extracted one, and now you can delete this one. Okay, only this one is there. Now what is the next steps? See, I downloaded and extracted. Now enter into this git 2.34.1. Okay, and after that, what you need to do? So before that, before entering into this, now where you want to install, that you have to decide. Normally by default, if it will install in user bin local. Okay, but normally in real time, people will not go every time this default one. They will install in OPT. Okay, here we have one OPT folder. We discussed already. OPT means optional folder. Okay, there you can install this. So now what I will do, I will go to OPT folder. There I will create one folder. I will create, change directory to OPT. OPT means optional, guys. By default, you will get empty. Okay, so see, if you forgot, I will show you again. Go to root directory. Here OPT is there. We discussed about this OPT, guys. Okay, so normally if you install, by default, it will go to the user local bin. Okay, otherwise you can install it in this folder. Okay, optional folder they are providing, you can install. So mostly I use this one. Okay, otherwise you can create separate folder there also, you can install, it's your wish. Now enter into the OPT, and here I will create one folder with the name, any name you can take, tech teacher. With this name I'm creating. Oh my god.
Is it required for here any 777 permission?
777 permission is not required.
Not required.
Not required. So I created one folder, guys. So inside this folder I want to install. Okay, so now what I will do, come out. So and now I am entering into this git. Now I am entering into this git directory. Okay, from here, see, enter into this one, and you need to pass this command, sudo dot means in the current working directory we are configuring, hyphen prefix equal to, you need to give that path where you want to install git, that path you need to give. Okay, take this one, copy and paste it. Okay, I'm installing.
Please once give LL. Is there any files?
Obviously will be there, no?
Yeah.
Binary files, git binary files, system files will be there. Yeah, see, you can see here, many are there.
Yeah. Configuration file.
So here we installed successfully. We installed now. And next, what is the next step? Next, we need to give this command, sudo make, we need to give to setup. It takes some time. And after that, we need to give sudo make install. These two commands we are giving to set up, okay, Git, okay, updating from old one to the new one. Okay, new packages and all it will set up here. Make and make install. And after that, you can start using it. So next step is see, make install you need to give. And after that, you can check the version. If it's still it is showing the old version means, see, like it is installed, new version installed, but you need to change the location. That's it. Only you need to change the location. For that, you need to give this command. I will show you once it's done.
That linking soft method.
Soft link.
Defaultly, it will go that Git one. That is again we are changing to OPT Tech Teacher.
Yes, we are giving that path because we installed in OPT Tech Teacher folder. No, so that path we need to show for the system. Then it will show you the exact version also. So done. Next one, give sudo make install. So done. Now if you check git -- version, so it is not giving here. Okay, it's installed successfully, but only version it is not showing. So what you need to do is here you need to give this command. So because we are not installed default in user bin, right? We installed in OPT Tech Teacher. No, that's why you need to give this path here. We are creating a soft link. I mean redirecting from here to here. In OPT Tech Teacher folder we created, inside that bin is there, inside that git is there. Okay, so normally it will go here default. From here to here we are redirecting. So by giving this command ln for link, S is the attribute we are using for soft link. Okay, copy this and paste it here. Okay, and hit enter. Okay, now if you give the git -- version, you will get 2.34.1. Okay, so done. So git is installed successfully. Now you can start using here also. Okay, so these are the steps you need to follow, guys. Okay, 10 steps you have here around. So just simple steps. Guys, clear any doubts so far?
Clear, sir.
Okay, install and get ready. We'll continue tomorrow. Okay, bye.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Thank you.